Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is ISRO Mathematics from 2006 to 2016 Vector and Laplace Part 2. If A vector, B vector and A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0 and A vector magnitude is 3 and B vector magnitude is 5, C vector magnitude is 7, then the angle between A vector and B vector is how much angle we have to calculate. So given A vector plus B vector C vector equal to 0, A vector magnitude 3, B vector magnitude 5, C vector magnitude is 7. Angle between A vector and B vector we have to calculate. So equal to 0. From here C vector equal to minus of A vector plus B vector. Then squaring both sides, we will get plus B vector will get A vector B vector A vector magnitude square plus B vector magnitude square plus 2 into A magnitude B magnitude into cos theta. So next page I will write. So C square minus A magnitude square plus minus B magnitude square equal to 2 into A magnitude B magnitude cos theta. So cos theta is minus divided by 2 into B magnitude. Put the values 7 square minus 3 square minus 5 square. So 2 into 3 into 5. 49 minus 9 minus 25 divided by 30. So it's 40 minus 25, it's 15 by 30 cos theta. So theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 2. It's 60 degree or 5 by 3 radian. So from option 60 degree, D is our answer. The value of C which makes the angle 45 degree between A vector equal to I plus Cj and B vector equal to I plus J is how much? The value of C you have to calculate. Angle between A and B vector is 45 degree. So we will use our formula equal to cos theta. A dot B formula we will use here. So A vector magnitude is I plus Cj. So 1 square plus C square root over. It's 1 plus C square root over. Then B vector magnitude. B vector is I plus J. So 1 square plus 1 square root over it's root 2. Then a dot b I plus cj dot I plus j equal to 1 plus c. Then put the value. A dot b is this one. 1 plus c equal to a magnitude is 1 plus c square root over into b magnitude is root 2 cos theta. So cos theta equal to 45 degree. Here we can write 1 plus c to c square root over root 2 cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 cancel. 1 plus c square. 1 plus c equal to 1 plus c square. So squaring 1 square plus c square plus 2 into 1 into c equal to 1 plus c square. So 1 plus c square plus 2c minus c square minus 1 equal to 0 or cancel. So cancel. 2c equal to 0, so c equal to 0. From option D is our answer. The value of curl of the vector, this is v vector x y z I cap 3x square y j cap x z square minus y square z k cap at the point 2 minus 1 1. We have to calculate curl of vector del cross v vector. Here v vector is ui vj wk. So in this case u equal to x y z, v equal to 3 x square y and w equal to x z square minus y square z. So curl we have to calculate. I, j and k. Del by del x, del by del y, del by z, del z. U is x, y, z. V is 3 x square y and w is x z square minus y square z. Then if we will do this, we'll get I cap into del by del y of x z square minus y square z minus del by del z of 3 x square y minus j cap into del by del x of x z square minus y square z minus del by del z of x y z plus k cap into del by del x into 3 x square y minus del by del y x y z. So here this quantity will become 0, then here it will become 0, here it will become 0, Then if we will solve further, we will get this one. Del cross B is I into minus 2yz minus j cap into z square minus xy plus k cap into 6xy minus xz. Then at the point given 2 minus 1 1, we have to calculate the curl. So I cap into minus 2, y value is minus 1, z value is 1, like that we will do, and minus j into 1 minus 2 into minus 1, z value is 1, so 1 square is 1, minus 2 into x is 2, y is minus 2, plus k into 6 into 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into 1. So we will get I into this is plus 2 minus j into minus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So it's 3. Then k into this is minus 12 minus 2 minus 14. So 2y minus 3j minus 14k. Please cross check this one, sometimes it may be wrong. So del cross B at point 2 minus 1 1 is 2i minus 3j minus 4k. So from option we have to check 2i minus 3j minus 14k. D is our answer. This is 14k. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.